Hi friends, my family just celebrated the 4th of July, so I thought it'd be fun to make an Americana themed quilt with my recent photos. For this layout, we're going to paper piece together some American flags. I dove into my stash and grabbed every red and blue paper that I could find. One of the things that I love about the Hip Kit brand is how easy it is to mix and match past and current kits. If you want your flags to look more uniform, or if you're only interested in using the most recent kit, you could just use the red paper and the 2 blue papers from the May kit. From each paper, I am cutting a 1/4 inch strip. I'm cutting 2 to 3 strips of paper for each pattern paper that I have. Next, I cut 1.5 inch squares from each of my blue pattern papers. You will need a minimum of 2 blue papers. You will also need to cut 12 2-inch squares from plain white cardstock. Once all of our papers are cut, we can begin to assemble the flags. I am cutting each of the blue squares in half to form triangles and then gluing those into place on my white squares. Next, I'm going to come in with my red strips. I place the middle strip first, and then I add 2 strips on either side of the middle strip. And then, once all my strips have been glued down, I will cut off the excess. Here is my finished square. I machine stitched around each of the blue triangles and through the red stripes off camera. Now I'm placing 6 2x2 photos in a diagonal line across the page. Now I will bring in the rest of my flags. I love that each one is unique and different, but you could make them all the same. I think the variety of papers just adds to the quilt-like feel of the layout. And as you can see, I'm just alternating blank squares with the quilted squares. And now I'm going to come in with my title. The full title is going to be Super Fun 4th. I am placing the alphabet stickers just slightly off center because I'm going to come in with a stamp from the February kit for the rest of my title. I chose a gold ink for my stamp because I don't want to bring in a lot of extra colors. The theme of the layout is red, white, and blue, and then I'm also utilizing gold accents. So I'm just sticking to a very simple color theme with this layout. I am bringing in the gold embossed ephemera. I think the gold embellishments are perfect for a 4th of July layout, and I'm just scattering the embellishments across the page, placing them in some squares and leaving other squares empty. And then the last thing I'm going to add is I'm going to bring in a stamp from the March kit that said, "Loved these photos." And again, I'm using the gold ink for my stamping. And here is the finished layout. I love how it turned out. I think it's super festive and fun. It's perfect for 4th of July. Don't forget to use my coupon code Heidi Lewis in all caps if you plan on purchasing the May kits from the store. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.